How to fix Instagram enter confirmation code error. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can fix the confirmation code issue on Instagram. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To fix the Instagram enter confirmation code error, first of all, ensure that you're using the most recent code that you received on your email. You can also try to check within a spam folder. So try to go to your spam folder and see if you have had the recent code that you have, because sometimes they might send multiple codes because you have been trying multiple times. You just want to make sure that it is the most recent code. You can check for delays as well. Sometimes you can wait a couple of minutes and after that only you will receive the code. If not, then do not try from the same Instagram page over and over again. Instead, close the app completely and reopen it again. In one case, what I recommend is you can reset the app. So if you're using Android, you can long press the app icon from your app launcher. Then tap on this I button to come to app info page, from where you can go to storage, clear the cache files and clear the data, which will reset the app. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store and check if the Instagram app has an update. And of course, if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.